okay here?
Wow.
What's the problem?
The problem? The problem is that my mom makes really great banana French toast, and Lindsay and Kathy were over for brunch to watch old Brady Bunch episodes, and when my mom asked what they wanted for brunch, of course they said banana French toast because my mom makes really great banana French toast. But we were out of bananas, and the nearest produce stand is at the end of the Anderson Road, but my mom couldn't go because she was bottle feeding this baby badger that got burrowed by the floorboards of the barn. Darcy. Right. So we went to get the bananas, and on the way back, my chain fell off.
See, the trick with these things is to, gotta move the pedal like this and just pop the chain back on.
Wow. Thanks.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, you have a dog. What's his name?
Penny.
You don't know your dog's name very well.
Oh, she's not mine. She's my friend's.
It's not a very shiny Penny.
She needs a bath.
A flea bath.
She's always getting out of my friend's yard. I told him I helped find her. Found her playing in the creek. Anyways, I should really be getting her back home.
Well, thanks for the repair job.
No problem. By the way, I'm Jonah. I'm spending the summer with my uncle in Ward City.
I'm Darcy. I'm spending my life with my mom over on that farm over there.
I'm Kathy. I'm Lindsay.
Darcy, huh? Maybe I'll see you around.
Okay.
Come on, Penny.
Wow.
This girl Darcy loves to have fun. She was feeling fine and having a good time hanging out on the scene. Mom on a big screen, but she moved her way. She's stacking hay. The nearest town is 12 hours away. Cows are mooing and many roosters crowing. It's not the same, it's not a game. She said goodbye to glamour and fame. She used to love to hang out and go dancing, go to parties and make important plans. And now she's gotta go clean out the stables. Darcy's wild life is about to turn the tables. Hey girl, you having fun? Yeah. Say goodbye to life on the run. Welcome to normal child life. What you see is what you get in Darcy's wildlife.
Discovery Kids on NBC. We'll be back.
On the next Flight 29 Down,
What's that? It's proof. We're not alone.
someone may be in trouble. But the question is who?
Eric, get the others fast.
Me? Why waking him
Go,
up?
go.
We found somebody.
Where'd they come from? Are we rescued?
Flight 29 Down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.
Ever wonder how Juicy Juice is made?
I know. From fruit.
I'm okay. Juicy Juice. 100% real juice.
100% real boy.
Cool. Yeah. Whoa. Pizza? Sure.
Maddie, you dreaming again?
Oh, yeah. Chuck E. Cheese's. It's cool. For real. You forget this?
What actor has emerged as Hollywood's next star?
Twitchy!
The #1 comedy in the country.
I love Twitchy.
Hoodwink. Rated PG. Now play.
From the new Barbie Diaries movie coming this spring, Barbie, Courtney, and Tia, 3 best friends, 3 jammin' new tunes. Get ready to rock. Barbie doll guitar with butterfly speaker plays 3 tunes. Dolls and pillow play sets each sold separately. Rock your style. Barbie.
Coming up on Endurance Tehachapi on Discovery Kids on NBC. The purple team must win, or they'll face elimination. Can their friends help change their destiny?
Yes!
Or will another team help seal their fate?
Kai, what's the word?
Coming up on Endurance Tehachapi on Discovery Kids on NBC.
You've seen a pack of dogs, and a school of fish. But can you guess the word for a group like this? The picture is the clue. There's no doubt you can figure that out. Come on, scream out the answer. Yeah, that's right. It's a flight of swallows. Flight.
Darcy's Wildlife is back on Discovery Kids on NBC. 98, 99, 100. There you go, all brushed. It's a good thing you're a natural blonde, so we don't have to worry about your roots. Sushi, it's Jonah. How do I look? How's my hair? Is there anything in my teeth? How's my breath? Hi.
Hey, Darcy. Glad I found you.
Oh, me too. Who's your friend? And more importantly, how come he's wearing one of Cher's stage costumes?
I call him Bobo. I found him abandoned.
Oh, he looks really banged up.
Yeah, whoever had him must have abused him. There you go, buddy. You know, the way some people treat animals, it just makes me want to... It's just wrong.
I know what you mean. I work for a vet.
Yeah, I know. I kind of asked around about you.
You did?
Well, if you're going to watch Bobo for me, I need to know you're a good person.
I am? I mean, I am, but I am? Well, the first I am was I'm looking after Bobo, and the second I am was I am a good person, and the third I am was repeating the first I am.
Yeah, I was with you.
You were? You understand me! Why am I looking after Bobo?
I'm trying to find him a home, but I need a place for him to stay till then. And my uncle's apartment doesn't have any room.
Oh, sure, he can stay here. Oh, looks like he's right at home.
Thanks, Darcy. You really helped me out.
Oh.
Are you okay? Did you break anything?
No, I'm fine.
Good. Then can you take a picture of me and Skittles?
Yeah.
Smile, Skittles!
It's gonna be a good one.
Can I have a copy because I want to email it to my grandmother? Yeah. She isn't very good with computers though, so she'll probably have a tough time opening the file, and she'll probably accidentally delete it, and then she'll have to write me to send her a hard copy. All the activity will be good for her.
Hey, how are you? There's a rock there. Look out.
I think I heard something this time.
You'll bounce back. Listen, I have an idea. You know that photo that you took of Kathy and what's his name, Snorkel?
Skittles.
Exactly. You like taking pictures of animals. People like getting pictures with their pets.
So,
what do you say that you and me go into the pet portrait business? I'll get a little studio set up. Bing, bang, boom.
why not? You got yourself a partner. Could you?
Uh-huh. Right.
I don't know why Jonah brought this little guy all the way out here. There are plenty of pet rescue organizations in Old City.
Lindsay. You may know a lot about animals, but you don't know much about boys.
And you do?
No, complete mystery. But Teen Girl magazine does. Here. Dear TGTT, that's Teen Girl Teen Talk. I worked at a fried cheese on a stick stand. This boy I know takes the bus every day to buy fried cheese on a stick from me, even though there's another fried cheese on a stick stand right around his corner. What gives? Signed, Cheesy Chick. Huh?
Oh, come on, Kathy. I don't think Jonah brought Bobo over here just so he can have an excuse to come visit me. But I hope he did. I've got snacks.
Whoa.
Is it olive tapenade spread on a baguette?
It's raw liver on a pig's ear.
Do you have corn chips?
These are for the dogs, Kathy.
I know, but do you have corn chips? Or maybe you could keep some fried cheese on a stick around in case Jonah drops by.
Ah, the handsome and mysterious Jonah. He's mysterious, all right. Lindsay seems to think there's something strange and sinister about Jonah.
Whereas I think he's got the hots for Darcy.
Hey, Darcy. There you are. I thought I'd stop by, see how you're doing. And you know, how Bobo's doing.
Oh, Bobo's doing great.
Cool. No, I knew he would be.
How's Penny?
Oh, Penny. Oh, she's fine. Great. Anyway, I thought if you're not doing anything, I could take you to lunch or something. You know, for taking care of Bobo and everything.
Can I, Mom?
Of course you can!
Apparently, I think that's fine. I'd love to.
Pet portraits! A lasting memory of that cherished loved one. Get a picture with your pet. They don't live forever, you know. Hey, Miss Greenwell! How are you, Miss Greenwell? Nice to see you, Miss Greenwell.
Hello, Jack.
Drydale's looking good. Yes, sir, that's one fine-looking dog. You ever thought of having his picture taken?
I've got a million pictures of him sleeping on the porch, sleeping on the couch, sleeping on the kitchen floor.
Do you have a picture of him wearing a cowboy hat? Oh, man, how cute would that be? Howdy, partner. I'm Sheriff Drysdale, the cowboy dog. Y'all better be getting along, y'all, because I'm fixed to run y'all out of town. Don't make me lift my leg on you.
I'll do it. Jack, you've got yourself a customer.
Great. I'll book the shoot.
Good news, Bobo. The stitches in your hip are all healed up. You don't have to wear your satellite dish anymore. You're all set for your new home.
You found him a home?
Yep. Some people will take good care of him. Not like whoever had him before.
That's great, Bobo. But I'll miss you. And I guess Jonah won't be around anymore either.
What do you mean?
Well, if Bobo's not here, you won't have a reason to come check up on him. You don't have a reason to come down here.
No, that's right. Wait a minute, I can think of a great reason.
Really? What?
That produce stand up the road has those great bananas. Plus, there's this reason. Believe me, I'll be around here plenty. Come on, Bobo. Let's go, buddy.
Here's a Darcy's Wild Bite. What's the most popular dog breed in America? Stay tuned.
The Subway Champions Challenge has begun.
The ultimate ride.
Just like the endurance show on Discovery Kids. 10 Subway champions, 5 teams. They train hard, they play hard. Where do these champions like to eat when it's time to fuel up?
Subway Restaurant!
Where you can get this cool endurance gear with your Subway Kids pack, only from Subway Restaurants and Discovery Kids. The Subway Champions Challenge. Can you guess who will win?
Have you got the endurance?
Live like a champion.
Subway! Play hard! Eat fresh!
They're gonna eat me! Hide me! Hide me! Hide me!
They'll never look here.
Where's that cinnamon roll?
Thanks!
Too easy.
Part of this complete breakfast.
Crazy good!
4 years ago, the U.S. Olympic team won more medals than ever before.
Gold medal!
Since then, they've been doing one thing. winning. Get ready for the best American team ever. Only the Olympics, coming 1 week from Friday to NBC.
It's funny, but the way people look at you has a lot to do with the way you look at yourself. Be proud of who you are, inside and out.
Gauguin and Impressionism. On view through March 26th at the Kimball Art Museum, Fort Worth. For tickets, visit thelostimpressionist.com or call Ticketmaster.
Hi, I'm Gloria Estefan, and we're on the lookout for young Hispanic leaders. If you're a Hispanic high school senior, you have a chance to win up to $8,000 towards your college education, a laptop computer, and a shot at appearing on the star-studded Hispanic Heritage Awards right here on NBC. Just apply online at HispanicHeritageAwards.org. The deadline is coming up soon, so get going. Just remember, you're only an application away from making your dreams come true.
One cell can grow into a parent's worst fear. Joshua had cancer. His parents were told treatment could cost $500,000. They were helpless to save him. He was only 2.
I'm 4 now.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, Joshua was saved. So were his parents, because no family pays St. Jude for treatment, ever.
Please help. Spend with companies that display our St. Jude magnifying glass.
What's America's most popular breed? Hint. Fetch boy. Now back to Darcy's wildlife.
So he really kissed you? Were you standing up? Were you sitting down? What?
He just sort of leaned in slowly and then he kissed me. And he smelled a little bit like gasoline and a little bit like leather and a little bit like grass after it rains. And when he left, I died of happiness.
You died. You're so lucky.
I know! What? What's so not funny?
I don't know. There's just something about Jonah that seems off.
Well, I don't happen to agree. I think something about him seems perfect.
Okay, he's perfect.
He is perfect. And as my friend, I think you'd be happy for me.
It's because I'm your friend that I'm concerned.
Well, you're sure not acting like it.
What?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to give a dog a suppository.
Light okay?
Light's fine.
You in focus? Everything's ready? Okay, Drysdale. Say howdy.
Looks kind of silly, don't you think?
It's what the customer wants, Eli. Who are we to judge? Great! Next!
I can't do this anymore, Jack. Look at them. They have no dignity at all.
What do you mean? They're farmers. They feed America. Very important job, farmers.
Jack, I like to take pictures of animals being who they are, not in costumes. If you want silly pictures, you can take them yourself. I happen to believe in dignity. Now I have the hiccups.
Hi.
Hey, you ready to go? The movie starts in 10 minutes.
So if we get there in 30 minutes, we can miss most of the annoying commercials. And then there's only 10 minutes of previews and that turn off your cell phone spot. So is Bobo settled into his new home yet?
Yep, I think he's gonna like Maine.
Maine? Why did you go so far? Does he love lobster or something?
No, I had to get him out of town, and I wanted to make sure his old owners never find him.
I thought you said he was abandoned.
As far as I'm concerned, he was. He was chained to a tree in somebody's yard for 24 hours a day. That's torture for an active dog. They need activity.
So you didn't find him abandoned?
Well, not technically. After I watched him stuck in the heat and rain for 2 weeks, I undid his chain. And after that, I considered him abandoned.
Poor Bobo.
Yeah.
But you kind of stole him.
I guess. So?
So? So you lied to me about how you got him, and you can't just go around stealing animals.
I can if they're abused.
No, you can't. What about the other dog? The one you had the day we met? Did you lie about that too?
Look, I do what I have to help animals. If you can't deal with that, maybe this whole thing was a mistake.
Yeah, maybe it was.
Fine, maybe I'll see you around.
Yeah, why would I believe that? And then you just rode away. You were so right about him, Linz.
Sorry. I wish I hadn't been. Outlaw boys. You like them so much, but they're so bad for you. Kind of like deep fried candy bars.
Darcy? Can I talk to you? I thought about what you said. You were right. I shouldn't have lied to you. I'm sorry. And it was wrong for me to just snatch Bobo. So I went to his owners and offered to pay for Bobo.
What did they say?
They didn't care. But they did take 20 bucks for him.
Well, I'm glad Bobo found a decent home. What about that other dog? What'd you call her? Penny?
I tried to find her owners too, but they moved away. See, that's why I grabbed her out of their backyard to begin with. They just left her behind.
You know, Jonah, there are organizations with the official authority to deal with these things.
Yeah, you should get involved with that, Jonah. I really love it that you're so passionate about helping animals, but I don't want you to have to lie about it.
Well, that's what I want too. I just hope we can be together again.
Okay, so Eli doesn't want to take pictures of dogs in outfits. Fine. That way, I get all the profits. See, I don't lose sleep over a dog's dignity. I mean, what dignity do you have? You're a dog. You drink out of the toilet. So, if your owner comes up to me and says, Jack, I'd like a photo of my dog dressed as a funny old-time policeman, I'm happy to perform that service. And you don't care if I put a hat on you. Whoa. Chill out, my friend. It's just a hat. And you're just a dog.
So Jonah's taking me to the carnival tonight? I haven't eaten anything, so I can go in the tilt-a-whirl and not throw up.
That's so romantic.
Hey, Darcy.
Hey, you're early. I don't get off until 5.
Yeah, I know. Do you think I could talk to you for a sec?
So, is everything all right?
Yeah, everything's fine. And I guess not so fine.
What do you mean?
I went online, and there's a rescue shelter near where I live in Louisiana that really needs volunteers to help with all their animals. So I took an internship with them.
Louisiana? But that's like a million miles away.
I know. That's the thing that's not so fine.
So, you're leaving?
I'm sorry. It's just, I gotta help the animals.
No, I know. I mean, it's who you are. It's why I like you. It's just... Wow.
Yeah. So...
So... You better email me every day, you big animal-loving goofball. I'm really gonna miss you.
We can go to the carnival for a little while now if you want.
No, I think maybe we should just say goodbye now. You know, get it over with. Rip the bandage off fast.
Bye.
Bye.
didn't think there'd be anything special about this summer. You made it special.
You okay? Yeah. No, but yeah.
Sounds about right.
Help me! Help me!
Does anybody know what that was about? No clue.
Your brother sure can motor.
Is there anything we can do? You can go to the carnival with me. You got it. I'm not gonna waste an empty stomach and not ride the tilt-a-whirl.
Can we get deep fried candy bars?
After we ride the tilt-a-whirl, we can get whatever you want.
Here's a Darcy's Wild Bite. What's the most popular dog breed in America? Stay tuned.
On the next Flight 29 down.
What's that? It's proof. We're not alone.
Someone may be in trouble, but the question is who?
Eric, get the others fast.
Me? Why was she
Go, go! We found somebody.
Where'd they come from? Are we rescued?
Flight 29 down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.
Look what I did. Huh? Huh?
Now we can make creamy fruit smoothies whenever we want.
Or we can eat smoothie and make Skittles.
Blend the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. This winter,
I'm Nanny McPhee.
She scares me.
mayhem
That was my idea. I mean, my fault.
meets magic. Nanny McPhee, rated PG. Now playing.
I've got the power to choose what's in my McDonald's Happy Meal. McDonald's Happy Meal choices let me choose something new every time I go there.
Discovery Kids on NBC.
Discovery Kids, Chomp Chat.
Any ferret, if you scruff them, they don't feel it at all, and no matter how excited they are, they'll it's like they're hypnotized. And they'll yawn and practically fall asleep, but as soon as you let go of their scruff, they're alert again. Not to be pet shallow or anything, but I think she's incredibly adorable.
Chomp Chat, come on, yeah.
What's America's most popular breed? The Retriever. Paws down, the Labrador Retriever is the #1 fetcher. And Darcy's dog, Sushi, a Golden Retriever, is #2.
Oh my God, makes really great banana French toast, and Darcy. I'm Darcy. You know, Jonah, I was always okay.
I'm really sorry.
Bottle feeding a baby badger that got broken the flow. It's good.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
On the next Flight 29 down.
What's that? It's proof. We're not alone.
Someone may be in trouble, but the question is who?
Eric, get the others fast.
Me? Why was she
Go, go! We found somebody.
Where'd they come from? Are we rescued?
Flight 29 down, coming up on Discovery Kids on NBC.